Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make a very simple, delicious, crispy roasted pork belly stir fry. It's full of flavor with just a few ingredients, so I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. And without wasting much time, let's get started. But please remember to subscribe, like, share, and also comment down below if you have tried crispy roasted pork belly stir fry before. So let's get started. And this is a very fast and simple recipe you can have for lunch. In a wok of heated oil, to it I've added 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. To it I'll add a tablespoon of minced ginger, and I'll give it a stir. And please continue watching to the end, and I hope you will like and enjoy this recipe. And to my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always stopping by to watch my recipes. Please consider subscribing to be part of this amazing channel. Next, I'll add crushed Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll give it a stir. And to it I'll also add some sliced onions. Next, I'll go ahead and add the roasted crispy pork belly. Now continue to stir it to combine. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and also sweet soy sauce. It's also called ketchup mayonnaise. So I'm going to continue to stir it until it's well combined or well incorporated. At this point, I'll add a little bit of water and I'll keep stirring. And please, if you are enjoying it and you have watched until this point, please consider subscribing, like, and share if you like this recipe. Next, I'll continue by adding in green beans and carrots. You can as well use any vegetables of your choice. And at this point, our delicious roasted crispy pork belly is all done, looking beautiful and smelling so good, and it's full of flavor. You can have this simple stir fry with plain rice. Very simple and delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and garnish it with some spring onions or scallions, and we are all done. So at this point we are all done. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and also subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.